Hi everyone! In this video, you'll learn how to use comments in PHP. Comments are lines in your code that PHP ignores. They're useful for writing notes or disabling code while testing. Two types of comments in PHP: single line and multi-line. Let's start with single line comments. You can use either double forward slash or hash symbol for those. Let's look at an example of a single line comment in action. We'll write a simple PHP script that shows a message on the page. Alright, first go to File and click on New Text File. Press Ctrl S to save this file. You need to go to the drive that you have installed your XAMPP in it. I installed my XAMPP in C drive, so I press on C drive. I go to XAMPP folder, then htdocs folder. Here I create a new folder. I name it, for example, project 1, and I write index.php. I create index.php in project 1 folder, in fact, and press save. Great. Now you press shift and exclamation mark and enter to format this file as HTML file. Now we want to write a simple PHP script that shows a message on the browser. We start with the opening PHP tag, press enter. We write echo statement. For example, hello world, don't forget semicolon, then close this block of PHP and press Ctrl S. Above echo statement, above this line, we want to write a comment to explain what this line does. So we press enter. As I mentioned, we press forward slash twice, and after that we can write our comment. For example, this code displays a message on the browser, and press Ctrl S. Another way is to use hash symbol instead of double forward slash, but hash symbol is not very common. Alright, I want to show you a shortcut keyword to make the job easy. Imagine that you want to disable this line of code. So you select this line of code, or you press somewhere on this line of code. Alright, I want to show you a shortcut to disable or comment out this line of code. You can do it by pressing Ctrl and forward slash, as you can see here. Great. Let me press Ctrl Z. Now we want to run this PHP script on our computer. We open XAMPP control panel, we press Start, and Apache turns green. It shows that Apache is active now. I already uploaded a video about how to install XAMPP on our computer to run PHP script offline. I put the link to it in the description section in case you are interested. Now, in the URL bar, we write local host forward slash project 1 and press enter. And this is the text, hello world. We want to inspect this file using the browser, so we can right click and inspect. We go to the body of this HTML, and this is hello world text. As you can see here, there aren't any comments before hello world because comments are ignored by PHP. Great. Now imagine that your comment is very long and you cannot put it in one line, or you want to disable a block of PHP at once. How do you do it? Okay, first let me add more echo to this line, to this block. I change this, for example, how are you? And this one, nice to meet you. I press Windows and dot to display this thing here on the screen. So I choose this, for example. All right. We want to comment out this block of code. So how can we do? One way is to add forward slash asterisk. We need to put it above the first line of the block, and after the last line of the block, we also add asterisk forward slash. As you can see here, this block is not executed anymore. Press Ctrl S. Okay, let's again execute PHP script and see the output. See, there is no output. Let's open body. There are no text here. All right. Now let me enable the line. So I simply remove these two things here. Let's go back to browser again, refresh it, and see the texts are displayed now, as you can see here. Okay, I want to teach you another shortcut, how we can disable these three lines of code. You can select them and again press Ctrl forward slash. They comment out again. Let's go to the browser again, refresh, and as you can see here, they are not displayed anymore. Let's check body. Yes, there aren't any text here. And great, that's all. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for like this video and subscribe to our channel and share our video with your friends. Let me know if you have any question. See you around.